Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Carrots contain various compounds, notably carotenoids like beta-carotene, known for their potential anti-cancer properties. Here are more explanations. 1. Colorectal cancer. Research indicates that a self-reported intake of raw carrots exceeding 32 grams daily was associated with a 17% decrease in colorectal cancer risk. Carrots possess fiber and antioxidants like beta-carotene, thought to contribute to this risk reduction. Beta-carotene's antioxidant properties can neutralize harmful compounds and protect cells from damage that might lead to cancer. 2. Lung cancer. Consistent consumption of raw carrots has been correlated with a reduced risk of lung cancer. Carrots contain specific compounds, including carotenoids, which may have protective effects against lung cancer. Carotenoids function as antioxidants and can help counteract the harmful effects of oxidative stress on lung cells, potentially reducing the risk of cancer development. 3. Other types. Some studies suggest that daily carrot intake might lower the risk of other cancers, such as pancreatic cancer, leukemia, and potentially cervical cancer. The specific compounds in carrots, especially beta-carotene, have been implicated in potentially protecting against these cancers. However, more research is needed to confirm these associations definitively. Dietary considerations. Incorporating carrots into a balanced diet rich in various fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can contribute to overall health and potentially reduce cancer risk. However, relying solely on carrots or any single food for cancer prevention isn't advisable. Variety is key for a comprehensive nutrient intake and overall well-being. Also, while these findings are promising, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for overall cancer prevention. Please subscribe to my channel for more.